just coming into the back of this socket. This is an easy task, to be honest, where we've managed to get this socket off the wall. What we need to be careful of is the power cable running into it just there. So what we're going to be doing is just running it to that point where that cable is. Same with this side. A little look underneath. I'm going to come in. I don't want to cut that short of that, but we do want to miss that power point. Do this one with my scissors rather than the Stanley knife, because I don't want to go chopping through that power cable, give me a heck of a shock. And I'm just going to follow these two lines here. So through here into there. Now that's that on. What I am going to do is I'm just going to peel these pieces of paper back to see where the fixing points for this socket are, and then I'm going to cut through just so we're not losing them before this all dries. So you see we've got one here, one here. Try and feel for it. And we've got one there. One there. On this side, let's just lift that back off. One there. Some there. One just down there. We don't want this paper to set and it be impossible just to guess where they are again. At least that way we know exactly where they are now. Right, so that's just going into the back of that socket with that style of socket. Now the other socket, which is more of a flush one to the wall, those ones are a bit different. But luckily I've got one of those in this room as well, so I will show you how to get over that when I get to it. That's all ready to go back on.